Hello friends and potential friends. Well, it's a bright sunny day here in Central Florida, February 2nd, 2020. It's Groundhog Day. It's a day I've been waiting for a while, not because of Groundhog Day, but because it's time to harvest that Ponderosa lemon. I got special plans for this guy. And there she is. Now I got big hands, folks. That is a big lemon. Still got one more. Hopefully we'll be ready before too long. If I can get it out of the shadows. And I think there are still a couple of smaller ones here and there. Don't see any blossoms right now, but I did about a month ago. And here's one of the little babies. It's going to be coming along, hopefully. But for now, it's time for that guy. And in case anybody likes to keep track of records, let's put her on the scale. There she is. 1 pound, 10.5 ounces. 1 lemon. Part of my plan for that guy is to try out my mom's old lemon meringue pie recipe. I'm hoping I can put together a lemon meringue pie that's edible. With the Ponderosa lemon, 1 lemon equals 1 pie. Okay folks, time to take this lemon apart. My #1 goal at the moment is to save as many good seeds as I can. Secondary goal is to save the juice. As you can see, I've got my infamous paper plate properly marked so I know what these seeds are when the time comes. I know all the seeds are going to be in the center. Normally I just slice right through here, but hope I don't hit too many seeds. Oh. There we go. Already I'm going to need a spoon for some of this. I'm going to just carefully pull out as many of the seeds as I can. Looks like there's a good number of them, which I'm happy for, because I've already got at least 2 other people that have asked for these seeds. I just dropped a couple of them on the floor. Bring out my juicer. Can you see that? I've had this juicer for probably 40 years, and I don't know who had it before me, but it is definitely older than I am, and will probably be around long after I'm gone, but it works good. You just put a slice of the lemon in there and then crank down the pressure. try to keep it from sliding around. Better get those seeds out of the way too. 3/4 of a pint. I believe my recipe called for 1 cup, so that's a little bit more than I need for a pie. And for right now, till I'm ready to do pie, I'm just going to put a lid on that. And for my friends that wanted some seeds, I got some seeds. These will be drying for a couple of days. And then I'll be shipping them out. It's got some juice in it. 1 little juice sack. Good flavor too. I'll be saving the skins because my recipe also calls for a little bit of lemon zest, and there's a lot of zest in those skins. Anyway, I'm going to get this stuff cleaned up, and then we'll see what I can do about getting on to the next step. Surprise, surprise. Walked out to see the Ponderosa lemon. Yep, this is still the Ponderosa lemon. But what do I find? Blossoms. More blossoms. And even more blossoms. And even more blossoms.